there and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm participating in a collaboration that is hosted by Denise from This and That with Denise Jordan. I will leave a link of for a channel in the description box down below, so you make sure you go over to her channel and show her some love and support. It has like literally been raining collaborations, and of course it's the season. The fall season is such a wonderful time, and everybody is trying to make their house feel warm and cozy and inviting. And yes, of course, we want to share that with you. So these collaborations and challenges are the perfect way to do that. And I am so excited to do this one as well. And but I have to say there are so many challenges and collaborations going on. I want to participate so much in all of them, but unfortunately I just can't because yeah, I work full-time, and I just can't seem to find a time when I get home to shoot videos. Mostly what I do when I get home, I edit the videos and try to prepare them for to make them go live. But shooting a video, it costs so much time because well, you don't always get it right at the very first time. So anyway, I am very excited to do this collaboration, and there are many more to come, so be on the lookout for that. And thank you so much, Denise, for hosting this collab, because I love your challenges, and this one was a challenge for me as well. And you will know what the challenge was later on in this video. So as you can see by the title of this video, it's a kitchen fall vignette or kitchen tray vignette. So if you want to see what I did for my kitchen fall tray, then keep on watching. This is the tray that I'm going to be using. It's a tray that I had for some time now, and it was like a Spanish type of tray with a lot of bright colors, and I painted it white. And I kind of forgot that I had this tray, but I am really loving the style of it. It is just, yeah, something different than your ordinary tray. So yeah, this is what I will be using, and I got here some of the decor that I am going to be using for my tray. And this floral arrangement I created myself. I just use a planter, and I had a floral foam in there, and I used moss to cover the floral foam up. So I thought it turned out very nice. And I have a bowl of faux fruits here that I am really liking, and my owl, some pine cones, some what is it, some pumpkins. And I have this small dish, or this tray, a leaf tray. And of course I will be using a candle, because I think there has to be a candle in every vignette. So let's get started. and this is the end result. I wanted to keep it very simple, and I think I achieved that. For me, the challenge was to find a plate to use in this vignette, and to be honest, I've been looking for well, actually I was looking for a fall related decorative plate to use in this vignette, and ever since Denise had announced this challenge, I was on the hunt for one, and on a daily basis I I checked out my thrift stores, but I couldn't find anything to my liking. So eventually I had to think about something else, how I can incorporate a plate into this vignette. And what I did, I used some of my dessert plates, some pretty dessert plates that I had, and I stacked them upon each other to elevate this fruit bowl, and I thought that worked just perfect. So yeah, that was my way to incorporate the plate into this vignette, and I am really liking how it turned out. So yeah, this was my fall kitchen vignette. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would really love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and join me on my journey. So thank you so much, Denise, for hosting yet another fun challenge, and I can't wait to do your winter vignette, your winter tray vignette, if you are doing one. But anyway, thank you so much for hosting this, and I would like to thank everyone for watching. Have a very blessed day, and I hope to see you again in my next video really soon. Thank you. Bye.